Hi, this is Ken Lau. I'm from Malaysia, right? And I wanted to share with you how to use the maps. It's a new feature in my version, right? So here it is, right? This is the maps. So we're gonna have country names, and then we're gonna have some values, and also you need to use VLOOKUP to create a range for some skills there, right? So then next, you gotta highlight the country and the range, right? And then go to insert maps, click on this. So yes, that's it. I created this maps, and you can further do a format. Choose. I will choose this. Okay, and there you are. And you can just copy this and put to PowerPoint. And this is a very great feature. So thank you for watching. So I repeat, right, that this as simple as selecting two columns, and after that go to insert tab, choose maps, and then choose this, and you created this charts. Yes, thank you, Microsoft 365 team. This is really amazing team. Oh yeah, right. We can also create a data labels, right? So just to label this, right, in case. So I just click on this more data labels, right? And click on categories, which is this category, and we don't need the values. And just drag this down. So at a quick glance, right, this is what a chart that represents the exported amount to the whole world from Malaysia, right? So we export most to China, right? As you can see, then we have also other darker areas. Thank you.